The Anniversary Waltz is simply, hands down, the strongest card trick known to man. The first time I performed it, a woman burst into tears. I'd never had that reaction to a card trick before. So I realized I had something. This is something very, very special.
If you were to try to find cards like this, you would struggle. You know, you would struggle finding a large number of these cards. If you're going to do this over and over, and once you start doing this, you will want to do this over and over. And because of that, why not get all cards that work? So here for the Anniversary Waltz project, we have decided to give you great cards that'll work specifically for this effect. Normally when the magician does this, he performs this with 2 randomly selected cards, which is good. You know, they have a memory, but we think that's strong. We think it's strong that these randomly selected cards were brought together, but when actually it'd be a stronger picture if it was something that had more meaning. I mean, we have the symbol of love in our deck of cards, and we're not taking advantage of it. So the Ace of Hearts, 2 of Hearts, the King of Hearts, Queen of Hearts.
There's also other cards that are appropriate for non-romantic or non-wedding related things.
I mean, this is arguably one of the best card tricks in Magic, but to me it's not even a card trick. You know, it's a gift. I always say the right tool for the right job, and this is the right tools for Anniversary Waltz.
We feel so strongly that this should be in the repertoire of every single working magician that we're giving it away. You can watch the download, not spend a dime, and you'll have the strongest card trick known to man. I don't know where else you can find a deal like that. So, watch the download. When you see how powerful this is, these cards will be waiting for you.